What it does, it dislodges and frees any objects that are stuck within the P-trap, the internal P-trap, or the integral P-trap of the toilet. If there's something beyond the 6 to 8 foot mark, then the toilet will need to be removed. If it's only isolated to the toilet, based on what I'm seeing right now, I'm running water to sink. I don't see any gurgling at the toilet. This would tell me that it would be a mainline issue. If the toilet backs up and I run water at the lab and run water at the shower, it would be a mainline issue.
So it's just going to make the water go down faster?
Yeah. It's going to utilize the full capacity of your tank, the water that's inside the tank. It's going to utilize the full capacity. If you're still experiencing stoppages, it could be a few things. There could be an obstruction. I see you have children here. By accident, they might have flushed a toy. It could be an obstruction left behind by the construction that was done. There might be something wrong with your piping that needs to be looked at internally. So at that point, what will happen if you keep experiencing repetitive stoppages, you want to get a camera. The process of the camera is we remove the toilet and we run a fiber optic cable with the camera eye on it, and we investigate it and search through all the system and see if there is a problem, an obstruction, a broken line, rust and sediment, or just the piping is just too old.